Hi guys, welcome back to Crave With Me. We're making some curry chicken today. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to season our meat along with some Maggi seasoning, some garlic powder, black pepper, and pimento seeds. As always, I will be putting everything that I use with the measurements in the description below so you can follow. Betapac is my favorite curry to use, you guys. It's full of flavor. I love the vibrant color that it gives in meat. It's number one. So for our fresh seasonings, we're going to be adding in these combination. That's going to include some garlic. I love using a lot of garlic, ginger, Scotch Bonnet Pepper, of course, some fresh thyme, some red onions, and scallion. So you're going to combine all of these and add them directly to the bowl. So now that everything is in the bowl, you're going to use a clean glove or just your hands and massage all that meat together. Once everything is combined, set it to the side for about 30 minutes to an hour and let it marinate. Once your meat has finished marinating, you guys, you're going to put your stove on medium-high heat and you're going to add about a tablespoon of oil with some curry powder and a little bit of ginger or garlic, and you're going to burn the curry. You want to make sure to do this process fairly quickly, you guys, and add in your meat as soon as that heat is turned up. You're going to let the meat sit in that curry base for approximately 20 minutes or so, just so that it can get some color. Once it gets some color, take your spoon and you're just going to follow me here and just mix everything in. Once the meat is fully covered, you're going to cover your pot and allow it to produce its own water. Do not add any water until this process is done. As you guys can see here, the meat itself sprung its own water, and that's what you want. So you're just going to mix up the meat and all of that. And then you're going to take your hot water, make sure you're using hot water, and that same bowl that we seasoned the meat in, you're going to take the water just like this, just to remove all those flavors that we have in the bowl and place it back into the meat like so. So you're going to allow your meat to cook now, you guys. Add about 1 cup of water, cover it up, and let it cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Once 10 to 15 minutes has to pass, it should look something like this. Your water shouldn't be totally gone because it's only been about 10 to 15 minutes. If it has, go ahead and add some more. And you want to make sure to continue stirring the pot, you guys, because you don't want to make sure that the meat itself is not sticking to the bottom of the pot. So as you guys can see here, all of that water has evaporated and our chicken is fairly cooked. So now you just want to mix up the pot and get your potatoes prepped. What is curry chicken without potatoes? So I added 2 potatoes to this dish and I cut them up in small squares like this, about quarter size or half an inch thick. Then you're going to add in a little bit more water, as we love gravy. If you do love gravy, go ahead and add in a little more. This also helps the potatoes cook. And we're adding about a teaspoon of butter for flavor. So mix that all in. And then you're going to cover your pot and allow this to cook for an additional 10 minutes and let those potatoes soften. Alright, you guys, so once 10 minutes has surpassed, your pot should look something like this, delicious and vibrant in color. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I hope the steps are really quick and easy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!